Welcome to the project demonstration of development of obstacle detection and avoiding robots. So here we are going to detect the obstacles with help of ultrasonic sensor and also servo motor. So whenever we switch on the power supply to this robot, it starts moving forward direction. And if is there an obstacle detects, then automatically the servo motor will rotate to the left side and check for the obstacle presence, and also it will check for the right side obstacle presence. So if the left side obstacle presence is there, then it will go with the right side if there is no obstacle. And if the left side and the right side, both side and forward, so three sides obstacle presence, then automatically it will keep on rotating right side continuously, so that it will go to the backward again. So in this manner we are going to control the robot with obstacle detection as well as avoiding. So the system driven by the Arduino UNO board, so it will get the obstacle detection outputs from the ultrasonic sensor at pin number 2 and 3. There, to check the obstacle presence in the left and right side, the servo motor was attached at the pin number 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13 pins are connected to this L293D motor driver to control the direction of this vehicle, means robots. So let me explain you the L293D motor driver, because our DC motors are connected to the robots will be driven getting power supply from this 2 volts battery. So Arduino UNO can't drive the 2 volts DC motor directly. That's why we are making use of this L293D as a driver between the inputs and outputs. So let me explain you the L293D motor driver. So if you want to control the DC motors in two directions, forward motion and backward motion, then we need to use a H-bridge, because from the H-bridge circuit only we can control the DC motor in bidirectional to change the polarity. So L293D IC has a two H-bridge circuits inbuilt, so we can control the two DC motors at a time. So for example, if you want to move the robot in forward direction, these two DC motors has to move forwards, and for the left side this has to backward and this has to forward, and for the right side same vice versa. For the backward, these two has to backward rotation. So in this way, by controlling the DC motor directions in bidirectional, we can control the robot movement in 4 directions. So we have interface, as we discussed, it was to the 10, 11, 12, 13 pins. So the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp battery, which is a rechargeable battery. So for charging purpose, we are provided the transformer along with charging circuits. So for charging the battery, we need to connect the transformer at T transformer slots here and B to the battery slots. After connection made successfully, check twice before on the power supply to the transformer. So now on the 230 volts to the power cable of this transformer, then the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and then this charging circuits will convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts pure DC voltage. So the battery will be fully charged in a duration of 4 to 5 hours. Till that time you can on this battery. So if it is fully charged, mean the time also these diodes will block the current flow from the transformer to the battery as a unidirectional current flow ICs. So after time completes, you can just disconnect the battery from the charger and switch off the power supply to the transformer charging circuits. Now this is the main on off switch. Above is the on, below is the off. So once we on the circuits, so you can see if it's obstacle presence, it will check that. So it will take the right direction. As the left side I was present. So let us show the demonstration on the floor. So let us see that.